Nag-crave ako today ng super crunchy na fried chicken. Kaya naman napadaan ako dito sa Karayama. Hindi ko na napigilan tingnan kung ano ba yung meron. Kung totoo bang super crunchy talaga yung kanilang chicken. Kasi ang ganda ng display. 'Di ba? Very aesthetic. Not to mention, hindi naman masyadong mahal yung nakalagay na price niya sa labas. So, eto nga, pumasok ako. And, yun, yung una kong observation is malinis siya. So, inask ko yung attendant if pwedeng mag-video. And sabi niya naman, okay lang daw. So, tinuro ko. I selected this seat. And, alam mo, na-feel ko talaga na parang nasa Tokyo, Japan ako ulit. Kasi ganito rin talaga yung feeling when you go to Japan. Actually, mas malawak pa nga itong mga restaurants natin dito sa Philippines eh. The question is, kasing sarap kaya niya. So, yun, no? Dito ko pinili kasi malinis siya actually and with the privacy. And then, yun, tinignan ko na tong menu. From 295 to 339 pesos siya. So, ang daming versions ng chicken na pwede mong gawin. And meron pa silang ino-offer na kiddie meal. And meron din silang mochi and ice cream. So, after that, ito na nga, sinerve na nila sa akin. So, ganito yung dumating sa akin. This is worth 339 pesos and then may extra rice na siya. And to be honest, super crunchy niya nga talaga. And after that, of course, had to take my green tea ice cream. This is only 85 pesos. And it is the real thing. So far, so good. Maganda ang rating ko dito sa Japanese franchise na to. It is legit. And then after that, nag-sightseeing pa ako sa labas. Kasi, alam mo naman, ito yung mga makikita mo sa likod actually, near Karayama. Sa One Ayala Mall, I always get mesmerized by this view. And super love ko talaga yung Makati. So, I go here every now and then. Malawak, malinis. One Ayala is also close to the bus terminals. Saka, very easy and convenient talaga. So, yung mga gustong mag-explore at makadiscover ng mga new franchise out there, Karayama is one of the restaurants that I believe you should explore. Katabi niya actually yung Marugame udon, but I was not in the mood to have udon that day, no? And katabi niya rin dito yung Koida, which I also tried in the past. Masarap din naman siya, but actually, from all the franchise ng Japanese restaurants that are inside One Ayala, itong Karayama yung na-notice ko na marami talagang kumakain kasi value for money. So imagine yung 239 or 339 pesos mo, may extra rice pa and soup. And eto na nga. Dito yung view ng One Ayala Mall, yung perspective niya. It's a very, very relaxing day talaga for me. And sinishare ko sa mga tao kasi there's so many things and blessings na pwede nating ma-experience on a daily basis. And etong walkway na to connects One Ayala Makati, One Ayala Mall to Greenbelt 5. So, yung mga gustong pagkatapos nilang mag-church sa CCF, for example, they can just easily traverse and go to One Ayala Mall after that and look at this wonderful buildings outside. So, I really enjoy each time na nandito ako sa Makati. And I thank the Lord Jesus Christ for all the experiences. So, yun. I hope na enjoy nyo tong short vlog natin. God bless you. God bless you. Enjoy.